Now something new you may have noticed here in the Shaker page when you're adding it is this button that talks about Article Forge. So I wanted to make a quick video and explain what exactly that is. Basically, I've fully integrated with the Article Forge API. Article Forge is a service by the same people behind Word AI, and it's basically just a way to generate unique content. I've been testing it over the past couple months. If you've noticed, the button has actually been there for a few months now, but I didn't want to really say anything about it until I had some good data behind it. It seems like the articles that it generates are working pretty well. I don't have to really do much to modify them. They don't read very well, but they are performing well in the search engines, which is what we care about. So the way it works is first you have to go to the API area and make sure you enter in your API details over here for Article Forge. If you don't know, if you don't have Article Forge or anything, just use the link here to sign up. They have a free trial available, and you'll be able to sign up for Article Forge, try it out, and see if it's something that will work for you. But once you have an API key, just enter it in here, test the API. It will just let you know how many words you have remaining in your account, and then click Save. Once you've saved that, just head on over to Shaker Pages and create a new Shaker page. When you're adding the Shaker page, you're going to have the option of using Article Forge here, and it's pretty self-explanatory how it works. Just basically put in a keyword. So let's say we're going to do something like car cleaning, how long you want that specific article, so anywhere from 500, 750 words. I usually do it 200 or 500, and then you can choose if you want to include titles and try to include images. I'm going to do a short one just so it doesn't take a while to generate it, but I will go ahead and choose generate article and just give it a little while. I mean, it is communicating with the API in the background, generating article from scratch. Not quite sure what goes into their technology to come up with the new article. I just know that based on the results that I'm getting, they're pretty good results as far as traffic to the website. So it's definitely working, getting some unique articles that way, and just a little bit different than the typical way we create the articles using Content Genie and just grabbing them from Ezine articles. So just something in to kind of mix in to our sites when we're building things out. And I have noticed it takes quite a while, so just be patient with it. I'll pause the video here while that's going on, and then I'll start it again once it's completed that part of the process. So if it's taking a little while, it will give you some kind of notice to let you know that it is still working. So you'll get this little pop-up. But once it gave me that pop-up, then the article popped up, and basically the titles are spun already for me. So that I like that level of variation that it adds. Some other H2 or H4 titles, something like that. And there as well, if it's a slightly longer article or if they're able to find images, they'll also add the images in there for you, which I think it's neat. I mean, they're uploaded into mgore.com, that image hosting site, so it's not taking up bandwidth or space on your server whenever using images. So it's just a neat way to, another way to get articles or content for your sites. And I figured I would integrate it into the command center, so we just have another option for generating content, and then you can go about doing the same everything else that you would do to your Shaker pages. But I just wanted to show a quick video of how that feature now incorporates with the command center.